Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here, and in today's video I'll be sharing why you need a booking site or a website. I'll say the number one reason why I recommend having a website or a booking site is just professionalism. I've had a website since pretty much day one, since I became a licensed esthetician. I just wanted to be professional. I am a huge advocate for posting on social media. Most of my clients, they find me through Instagram. So I am huge about posting on social media just to get your name out there. But I'm also a huge advocate for taking social media breaks. There's just something about being on social media all the time that is kind of draining. And so sometimes I do take social media breaks. And right now I'm taking a social media break, which is why it is important to me to have a website or a booking site. Another reason to have a website or booking site while being a beauty professional or a licensed esthetician, which whatever you are, is because not everybody is on social media, and if they are on social media, it's not guaranteed that they're on the platform that you're using. I've seen so many times in these Facebook groups I'm in when we're asking, a recommendation for a hair braider, or people are asking recommendations for whatever kind of provider, and people have to like screenshot the person's Instagram, and then somebody is saying, I don't have an Instagram. And it's like, okay, well, you could have had a customer, but you only advertise on Instagram. Not to mention, you are missing out on a bunch of potential clients that are looking for an esthetician or a lash artist through Google or through a web search, and they're looking for estheticians in their area. And I just feel like it's nice if you can show up on social media as well as a Google search. Another reason why I recommend having a website or a booking site is because if for some reason Instagram or Facebook breaks like it did a couple of weeks ago, you're not looking lost, or you don't have communication with your customers or your clients. I know a lot of people, they take appointments by DMs or messages on Messenger, but if Instagram and Facebook are broken, or one day there's no more Instagram or Facebook, then what are you going to do when you could have had a website and had all that information on a website plus more? I can always communicate with my clients because one, I have a website as well as the app that my clients can join me on. They have my numbers. If they are a client of mine, I can email all of my clients and customers about promotions. So the benefits of having a website or a booking site are the automations. Automations meaning people can book 24/7 and you don't have to do the back and forth with them, as well as your clients and customers being able to shop 24/7. They'll receive an automated email of a booking confirmation or a shopping confirmation, not a shopping confirmation, or order confirmation, and this can all be happening while you're sleeping. Another benefit of having a website or a booking site is the email list. Email lists and text lists are so important. I never thought that I would have grown an email list like I have. It would actually be a lot bigger of an email list, but I did like a clean up of my email list because I felt like some nosy, sketchy people were on my email list. But email lists are so important. I'm able to send out emails to all my clients, customers, or people that I don't know about promotions, about skincare products, about deals that I'm having in studio, skincare tips, lash tips, everything. just by an email list. Another benefit of having a website or a booking site is reviews. You can have reviews on your Facebook and on your Instagram, but like I said, one day Instagram or Facebook is gone, or these social media platforms are gone, at least you'll have your reviews on your website. What I like to do is take reviews that I've gotten through text, through DM, wherever, and just transfer them over to my website. So when you go to my website, the first page that you'll see some of those reviews there. You can also have your client photos, their results on your website, which is very beneficial, like I said, because people want proof, especially if you're claiming to change people's skin. They want to see those results. So having that on your website is very beneficial. And I also have that, well, some of the results that my clients have had on the first page of my website. You can even add little descriptions like, this client received these treatments, they use whichever products, whatever the case may be. I like to have date stamps on mine just so that it shows how quickly this person saw results, or that we saw results with their skin. Another benefit of having a website or a booking site is the shopping links. So on my website, I have all SkinScript products on my website, but I also have the different ways that people can shop the other skincare lines that I carry. So I do carry some Glymed Plus products, but I also have a Glymed Plus storefront. So I also have that, and I think it's the shopping tab on my website, and they can click a link or the QR code on my website and they can go to my Glymed Plus storefront. And then I also retail Image skincare products. That is right back there. I have some of the products in studio, but I also have a way of getting the other products to clients or customers. So all of this, it just makes it a lot easier for your clients to get in touch with you, for potential clients to get in touch with you all in one place. They can easily book their appointments without the back and forth. They can easily shop 24/7. It's like everything they need, product descriptions, service descriptions, are all in one place. This is especially beneficial, especially when you are a solo esthetician and you don't have a team of people working behind you. We're the only people doing all the social media. We're the only ones doing all the bookings, everything. So just make life a little bit easier on yourself by getting a website or a booking site. And there was one video that I did on websites and somebody commented that they bet that it's so expensive, and all I have to say is invest in yourself. Like, invest in your business, invest in yourself. Like, you have to invest for your continuing education, you have to invest for product and equipment for your business. It's all an investment, and if you want to see a return on that investment, then now that is all that I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see something from me specifically, definitely leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one.